Hello everyone. Today I've got a washing machine today. It's all been taken apart. I don't know maybe repair. I don't know who a washing machine was taken apart. Maybe we'll repair another look at someone else's house, and I don't think I'm gonna sneeze anyway. Achoo! Anyway. Yeah. Anyway, let's go back now. This washing machine has been taken apart recently by a repair guy. That's what actually recorded. There was a little note, I guess, saying can't be. And I've noticed there was a little note saying that it can't be fixed. So some owner might put it on out of order. Anyway, I'm gonna fix it now. So and put it back together. It's nearly left like this. So top panel's over there. Yeah. We'll put it back together now. So yeah. So gonna so what you need to do, only need to do, is just to disconnect the broken circuit board from the supply, from there, and then just get it to 8 volts. So yeah, let's do it. Unplug it. Oh no, it's not already unplugged. So yep. Gonna unplug this. I know, we'll do some fixing repairs now to do some repairs. There you go, one. Wait for it to come out. There's the old PCB. Throw it in the bin. Okay, we'll put it on there for now. We'll get a new PCB. I like it. I guess I like replacing the PCB. So put it back. Okay, so now we're gonna put it back. Hopefully, it's actually good because this one's got like a metallic grey dial on it. So hopefully put it on. And this motherboard will give the washing machine some more features which most of the washing machines don't even have. So let's put it on. Put it on, let's screw it. And then we're gonna put this motherboard back to where it was. Plug it all back in. There you go, the motherboard is now putting back into the PCB circuit board. Yeah, and put this on. Got this actually no, I put it on the wrong way. Oops. Yeah, this goes in, I guess. Oh yeah, it makes more sense now. So yeah, now we're gonna put the screws back on the motherboard, and I have to go in. Ready? Oh, Okay. And now, let's drop this screw off again. Oh my god, it's gone. There might be a little hole, I guess, underneath. Anyways. Right then, no more trouble with this screw. Just put it on the other side. Just tighten them properly so we don't have a rattling circuit board while the washing machine's spinning. Alright, now we'll put the top panel back on. Oh shit. That's so. Ready? Sure. Alright, I think the top panel. Alright, so yeah, we can put it over there. Put the screw back in. Alright, there you go. Tighten it as hard as I can. I think I'll try to tighten it even more so it could look like it might be a titanium, but anymore. Rattling rather. Alright, I think that's all fixed now. So just check and put on this, collaborate it now. So hopefully this works everything. So yeah, collaboration on this washing machine could possibly. Alright, can't be asked to, well, yeah, salvaged, no rattling, everything works fine and free, now it's working free, it's set to go. I'm wondering if the drum is okay? Yeah, the drum's fine, still lasts, the spider's very good, no rattling, it's all put back together. And it's okay now, because it's a Titleist prov1x. How old is it? I don't know what's called now. It's Hunnman, I think. Oh, it's prov1x. It's Hunnman. It's actually a Hunnman wash machine. Yeah, all fixed now. Washing machine works again. See you later. Bye.